Welcome to part 2 of designing a 404 page error. In previous video, in video number 1, we did some research and designed a low fidelity wireframe. In this video, in video number 2, we are going to turn that low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity wireframe and design a presentation shot. So if you are curious, please stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button and be around. Okay guys, let's pick a color. I copied my hex code for my red color and then I paste it here so I can download illustration perfectly for my color. Okay, I press Ctrl+Shift+K to select my SVGs and then place it in my artboard or my file. Now I should resize it to match this circle in this frame. I copy this planet here. I want to blur it, so let's give it 100. Hey, good job! Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that video, please like my video. Have fun and goodbye.